Hey Malkias, it's your girl Shelly, aka D Shell, and I already did my color corrector and my brows, and I will show you how I got this blue look with only LA Colors eyeshadow. I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan, and I'm just putting that all over my lids, and I'm using my Real Techniques sponge and just blending it in. And I'm gonna dip that in the airspun powder to give it something for the eyeshadow to stick to so it can last all day. Next, I'm gonna take my LA Colors I Love Makeup palette, and unfortunately I had broke it. Anyway, all right, so I'm gonna take that reddish brown color with my fluffy brush, knock some excess off, lightly brush your lids, lightly. All right, so I'm gonna take my LA Colors Smoky palette, going in for that electric blue. I don't know if that's the name, but I'm calling it that, all right? So I'm going in my inner corner, and I am making a halo eye, which means I'm going to go in the inner corner, go up, but not go all the way in the center, then take it to the outer lid. I'm just adding more color just to intensify it. Next, I'm going to take my LA Colors Glam palette. I'm going in for that shimmery blue. I'm just placing that right on top of the blue I already have. Added a little powder because it was getting all over the place. Next, I'm going for that darker blue shade in my Glam palette. And I'm just going to place that on the outer lid to give it a smoky effect. The goal is to blend it all in, blend it all in, hey, blend it all in, blend it all in, hey. I just like music. I'm a musician. Blend it all in. Okay. And we're going to make sure, for my hooded eye girls, make sure you go to the top, not all the way to the brow though. Do not go all the way to the brow, but make sure that you can see the blue. All right, we're going to take that white glittery color. We're going to go in on the center of our lids where we left it blank, kind of. And we're just going to place that white color on top. Next, I'm going to take that pinkish, champagne-ish color. I just wanted to add a little bit more color to it and place that on top. Then I went back in my palette, my smoky palette, and added more of that white color again, just to intensify it a little more, give it a little more pizzazz. So now that we finished, we're going to add our liner. I'm using Wet n Wild liquid liner, which stay on like all day, like it doesn't stick at all. And I'm dusting off the excess powder, getting it off my face. And I got my Maybelline Fit Me 355 and my L'Oreal True Match C7. And I'm just going to put my foundation on. Make sure you blend it all in. I see you. And I'm highlighting contour, and I have a video already on that. So check it out. All right, so I'm spraying my face because I use my NYX Finish Matte Spray. And now I'm using my, what this is? My Warm Berry Baked Blush, darling, by Black Radiance, of course, my favorite. Next, I'm going to my Juvia's palette, only because I'm going to use this as highlighter. Oh yes, my eyeshadow as highlighter. You can do it. And I'm just adding a little highlight to my face. Next, I'm going to take my NYX Illuminator in the color green, and I'm just going to place that right on my... Yes, I did. And I'm going to take a clean finger and, just like go in and Yeah, dab that in right there. Yeah, right there. Next, I'm gonna go back in the LA Colors Smoky palette. Go back with the blue we first started with. We're gonna just do our lower eyelids just like we did our upper eyelid. And just adding that blue to the other side as well. Just go to the top. I'm gonna go back in that Glam palette, just add that blue, that shimmery blue like we placed on top of the matte blue. Going in the back in the Glam palette, the Glam palette, and going back over our lower lid with that darker blue. Next, I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara and blend it in with my falsies. Now I'm gonna take that silvery grayish color from my Smoky Eye LA Colors palette and placing that in my inner tear ducts just to widen the eyes. And I use my Wet n Wild dark brown lip liner. And I'm gonna try this Milani matte naked color. It's kind of giving me like a pinkish. Okay, so there you have it. A more casual look to the blue, but I feel like something was missing. So I added blue lipstick, $2 out of Dollar General. Go to my Instagram to see what lipstick I use. Thank you for watching, Malkia. Stay blessed, stay royal. Love you. Remember to like, share, subscribe.